Hey guys, what's happening? Want to do a quick little mail call and give you a little update on some things. Some wind damage we had here yesterday evening. I'm not calling it a tornado or nothing, but it was some pretty tough winds come through. But it's Friday, April the 12th, and wanted to do some mail call. The first one I got is this one. In Depth for Kids Garage. And Steve, you ought to go check his channel out. He's doing 1956 F100, I believe. He's doing it like a custom hot rod effect on it. And he got some pretty cool videos, so go there and check his channel out if you haven't. He's a pretty cool guy. Next one, oh boy, getting them little termites in. Yeah. There he is. Get off of there. Next one, guys, it's this one here. Been waiting for it a long time here. It's Shut Your Face Garage. It's slow start. And that's Matt, Angel, and Jim. Sometimes Jim is over there. But yeah. Matt doing that 1954 shoebox with that, I think it's a 8x8 flathead. And it's got them Novas, 2 of them 71 Novas, his and Angel's. I think they call them Rusty and Wilbert. But yeah, love the way them Novas sound, boy. Sound great. I'm trying to get something on these where they don't fly away. But yeah, I'm gonna get out here today, maybe blast this a little. Try to find them other spot welds on it. Did you see there where I had to cut it? But I got spot welds all there. And then going down through here. And then on the front side here, I got spot welds. And this here is on the passenger side here. I got shit 3 or 4 of them there in one spot. But yep. Anyway, yeah, that wind got my camper some there. See how it pulled all that up. Messed it up. Walk around on this side and see if you can see it. Kind of, sort of. There's some of it there that's pulled up. I gotta get up there and try to fix all that. And on our house trailer, let's see if I can zoom in on this. Got them shingles right there. All up on that corner. It ripped about 10, 12 of them off of there. Yeah. Oh, doing it back out. Leaves and crap all over the place, man. Let me go around here and show you. They got a house. House yonder. Got a big old tree. I mean, it missed it by a little bit there. But all this, it freaking tore the gazebo down. And how? I don't know. It don't have no top on it, no sides, or anything on it. Yep. That swing there, it was way over there by the trampoline. It caught all that jacuzzi there and ripped it open. All these flower pots were laying all over the place. And damn trampoline there. Just trying to get back in the neighbor's yard again, so I guess if it wants over there that bad, I'm just gonna see if he wants it. But they got another one. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. Right there, that's where a tree fell on that one. You can probably hear them with the chainsaw over there. Yep. I got old Charlie over there. He had one. There he is on a tractor. But he had one almost fall on his trailer there also. But yep. But out there we got a big old limb break. They caught the fence there and broke it. Went across Johnny's driveway. Yeah, and then some of the skirting around the trailer blowed it out. So luckily we didn't have no more damage than that. Then just getting that pool cleaned out, and now I don't know if you can see it, that pool is full of leaves and trash and shit again. The funny thing is, like all them little stools there, it ain't even touched them. They just sat right there. Didn't budge them. Yeah, it blowed all that crap over. Some leaves there. Tried blowing my fenders away. But yep. That's about all the damage I could find so far. Well, luckily it wasn't that bad. Could have been worse. But yep. Okay, I had to get up there and fix all that because they're calling for rain again. I think tomorrow evening and Sunday for sure. Yep. Then I had to work on this thing some and get it running again. So finally got it. You see all the limbs laying over. But yeah. Fred, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Yeah, what you doing there, buddy? Hey, me, said to me. Rebel. But yep. Oh. Get back here and clean all this shit up again. But anyway, that was it. I might start sandblasting on that this evening. I don't know yet. I'm going to have to make a run to one of them depot stores and get the shit to fix that with. Yep. And anyway, Matt and Steve, I'll thank y'all for the stickers. And post a link to their channel, in the description area. And yeah. So I don't know if Adam's coming over here this weekend or not, but I don't know if I said it or not, but that black tarp there is laid out yonder. But as far as I know of, no water got in this. Yeah. Get a few more parts off of it. Yeah, I hear them over there cutting that tree up now. Anyway, but there you go, guys. So thank y'all for watching, and we'll give you another little update later on. Yeah, look at all the leaves stuck to it. Yep. And hope everyone has a good weekend. We'll talk to y'all later. Alright, guys, give you another little update here. Got a lot of it sandblasted. Yeah, put some of that prepping etch on it. You see how it's bubbling up there. And that shit part had a bunch of little rust pits on it. But all that's going to be covered by that other dashboard I got to put over it. Let's see where I drilled it out before. Yeah. And some of this crap right there might change it out. But overall, it's still in better shape than what mine is. Mine, like, right up in, let's see, that's driver's side. Right up in there, it's got a big old hole in it. Going across about where the wiper motor sits there. All rotted out. Yep. And, Mr. John Kerry, you asked about that blasting, abrasive. That's it right there, the 4080. It's a black diamond, and that's what I'm using. It does pretty good. You know, you just gotta keep flipping that valve on and off whenever it clogs up. It's about time for another tip. Let me show you. Yeah. But hell, I might be able to get a 2080 now. Shoot through that baby. I couldn't do it before because it would clog up in that tip. It wasn't big enough. But yeah, I gotta flip that buoy over now and get the back sides of it. And then spray it down real good and let her soak in it and kill that rust. Yep. So, alright guys, check y'all later.